Simple, efficient and without waiting. This is how you make digital document submission a modern service standard. Are you familiar with the situation where an appointment is required to hand in documents? But spontaneous appointments are hardly possible due to a tight schedule? Are you looking for a solution to make workflows more digital, and thus more efficient? With the overhead scanners from Image Access, document submission becomes digital child's play. Without waiting. No appointment necessary. It is up to your customers to scan the documents. How does it work? It's simple and straightforward. The customer enters your facility and can scan the documents they bring with them, using the overhead scanner provided in the waiting area. By entering their name or, if available, their customer number, the documents are sent to your central inbox, or directly to the responsible clerk. Finally, the customer sends the scanned document to their private email address via a digital receipt printout, thus documenting the receipt. Of course, password protected, in compliance with data protection regulations. Date and time are automatically recorded on the receipt. Alternatively, analog printing is also possible. All that is required is to connect the scanner to a printer. What are the advantages of this approach? First, your workforce can devote their time to more important tasks. Workload and effort are reduced. Second, the customer is responsible for digitizing, which saves the customer waiting time or having to visit the facility several times. This means an increase in customer satisfaction. Third, documents are no longer handed over in their original form, but are captured as a digital copy and can be transferred directly to a digital file. Have we made you curious, and would you like to raise your company to a higher technological level? If so, call us or write us an email. We look forward to hearing from you.